how to turn on or turn off baby sounds, dog barking, knocking, or doorbell ringing, notification sounds on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down, then tap on accessibility. Next, tap on hearing enhancements. And in here, tap on sound notifications. After that, tap on open sound notifications. Then tap on the sound options down here. Now scroll down to the priority section. And in here, you can choose to turn on or turn off the sound notifications for baby sounds, dog barking, knocking, door knocking, or doorbell ringing. So choose to turn on or off for each of these sounds. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.